Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making bread, and here are my ingredients. So I'll be adding the 3 and a quarter cup flour, bread flour. You can use all-purpose flour as well, and 3 tablespoon milk powder, powdered milk, and 3 tablespoon sugar as well. So I'm going to be adding just half teaspoon salt to this, and about 6 grams of yeast. So if you are proving your yeast, you have to prove it for like a few minutes before you do this. But I'm using instant heat, so I'm going to be adding it straight, and I'm using 1 egg and a cup of milk. You can use water instead. That is not actually necessary. Water is fine since you are using powdered milk. So I'm going to be beating this on medium heat. This process takes me like 10 minutes here. I'm going to be doing this. So at first I'll do this for like 2 to 3 minutes, and after doing that I'm going to be adding butter, and the butter is 3 tablespoon butter as well. So I'm going to be adding the butter, so bit by bit. So I am going to knead it again, and this is going to be longer. The earlier is like 3 to 4 minutes, and I'm going to be kneading it for 8 to 10 minutes, at least 8 to 10 minutes. So here I'm going to be adding the remaining butter, then I'll leave it to knead. Afterwards I'm going to leave it to knead very well. So I'm going to be stopping this now and check. Now it's stretchy and not sticking to my hand. So I'm going to knead for additional 2 minutes, and after that I'm going to put it on the workspace and shape it to put in the pan. So I'm going to put it on a flat surface and shape it into a rectangular form. I'm going to roll this and put this in the pan. So I'm going to do the same for the second one. I'm going to put in the pan and let this rest for an hour in a warm place. It may not be an hour, just for it to rise. I'll bake it in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, and it's ready. So I'm going to do some egg wash before baking, and here we have this. And this thing you are looking at is so soft, as in very soft. So you can try it and let me know when you try it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.